letter is that? Galing! Ate, pakipasikat na sa kanila. Yay! Yay!
Oh, dito, dito.
What? Ito pa, dali. Paano mo sa kanila? Grade mo sa kanila. Tanong niyo siya, hindi na mag-aano, paano letter? What letter is this? Sabihin niyo. What letter is this?
Manonosidad kami sa'yo eh.
What letter is this? What?
What letter is that?
C.
D. What letter is that?
C.
G.
What letter is that?
S.
One more. What is that?
Ano?
What letter is that? C.
C. What color is this? Ito.
What? What's that?
Ano yun?
Letter. C. Iharap mo sa kanila. Oh, what letter is that? Oh, what letter is that? X. Galing.
Galing.
How about that? How about this? What letter is that?
Short ulit.
Color naman, color. Ano, Josh? Ito. D is for, what letter is this? D! D is for? Yay! This one. What letter is this? Mommy!
Yay!
Ito, this one. What letter? Mommy!
Hindi naman eh.
Ito. Alam niya yan. Yung favorite letter mo. Kasi alam niya binalik. Mommy! Alam niya binalik. Ano pa? Ano? Ito. What letter is this, Josh? Josie? B. Ito, this one. What letter is this? Josh, alam mo to, di ba? Josh, what letter is this? No. What letter? What letter?
Wala ka.
This one. What letter is this? N. N is for? B. This one. C. Ito na lang. Ito ha. Read mo to, Josie. Josh. This one. What letter is this? This one. Ikaw muna. Sa kanila, pahawak mo. Sa kanila,